We're using the high performance modem here. 56K USB modem. There it is blinking. And we're on Dialup, downloading Android file transfer. 5K per second. 3.2 megabytes. Takes about 9 minutes. Using OSX 10.7.5. This is on a late 2006 Imac. So it's an Imac from 10 years ago. And evidently I didn't have Android file transfer, so I was going to download it on another app and transfer it here, but I decided just to go ahead and just try it with on Dialup. And it actually is coming through fairly quick. And there it went off because I've got a automatic screen turn off. This particular machine actually I bought refurbed probably 7 years ago for $250, and it's actually been uneventful. Worked really well. There it is, screaming in data over the phone lines. That's the USB robotics modem, plug and play. And the service provider I'm using is, I think it's Dialup for Less out of Chatsworth. And the uptime on it is actually really fairly good. Every now and then you'll get one where it won't connect, maybe once out of 100 tries. In the sense, if you just came up every day and want to use this, every now and then it'll just get to where it doesn't want to, it's too busy, but it's very rare. The cost on that is $120 a year, $10 a month. I use it as a backup because we've got hurricanes here, and I just wanted an alternate way to get on the internet. But a lot of times I get on, it actually works pretty well. Works well on a Mac because you don't have any bug of trying to phone home to do upgrades. Like on a PC, it's a disaster. There's the amount of time it's been on, 11 minutes this morning. And I opened up Google to try to download Android file transfer. I was going to try to hook up the phone here to look at some video files I shot. Usually I use a different camera, but I shot them with the phone and realized I didn't have the file transfer on this. This computer's got Final Cut Pro and iMovie and a bunch of other stuff. It's got DaVinci Resolve, but it won't load up because it's the amount of memory it's got is over here. System information. It doesn't have the type of graphics. ATI Radeon 256 megs. Now this update here is BS because it gets stuck in a loop. There's a particular app that or a program I've got where it just completely updates over and over again, and I've got to go ahead and run something to get that out of there. This is as high as this will go, 10.7.5, which is lying. There it is. Android file transfer, the DMG. Checking volumes. I'm going to go over here. Oh, where'd it go? Grab it to applications. It was 3 megabytes, and see, because it went through and expanded it out, I guess. There it is. It's actually in the system. got the message you can't access it, but I went through and clicked on the OK and permissions. And there it is. The phone or the card. Got a lot of stuff on there, so there's a bog. There you go. And there's some junk I just shot here this morning and yesterday. So I shot some with the phone and some with look at this temporary video. That's kind of odd. But I can access this stuff, which is kind of great. There you go.